Hello, food lovers. Today we are making one pot vegetable rice that's colorful, delicious, and super easy. Think potatoes, peas, carrots, and tomatoes all cooked together to perfection, and it only takes one pot. Let's dive in. Start off by heating oil in a pot over medium heat. Now we're going to add in our onions. Saute until soft and fragrant. Going to add in our garlic. I'll be using garlic powder, just enough. Going to add in our hoho, that is capsicum. Go in with the potatoes and carrots. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes to slightly soften. Go in with our tomatoes. That is blended tomatoes, the one that I use, but you can use any and just let them cook until they release their juice. It's still okay. Add in salt, just enough salt, for taste. And then you're going to add that is Reiko. I used Reiko. And then Reiko cube. I don't know, just flavor. It's nice, yeah? And then you're going to stir well. To add in our rice and then stir gently so it mixes with the vegetables. Now we are going to go in with our water. They say ratio 1:2, so mine was, the rice was 3/4, so I added 1.5 cups of water to cover and let it boil. So now we are going to go in with our peas on top. They cook so quickly. Yeah. So we are going to cover and simmer on low heat until our rice is cooked and our water is absorbed. Sit Farm, your one-pot vegetable rice is ready to enjoy. Perfect for a quick lunch, dinner, or even a special meal. If you tried this recipe, drop a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty, easy Kenyan dishes. See you in the next one. Bye!